A particle P of weight W suspended from a horizontal ceiling by two light inextensible strings AP and BP, making angles alpha and pi by 3 with the horizontal respectively, is in equilibrium as shown in the figure. Find the tension in the string AP in terms of W and alpha. Hence, find the minimum value of these tensions and the corresponding value of alpha. Solution for this question. Now we draw the diagram. This is the diagram we are given. This is one of the inextensible string and one of the particle is suspended from here. Weight is W, this angle alpha, this angle pi by 3. Draw a perpendicular PE to AB. One of the perpendicular. Let the tension on the strings AP and BP are T1 and T2. String tension here T1, here T2. Different tension because the particle is tied up here. And what is this angle? This is the right angle triangle. This one pi by 3. Therefore, this angle is pi by 2 minus pi by 3. That is pi by 6. What is this question marked angle? This one. Pi by 2 minus alpha. For the equilibrium of particles, in the particle 3 forces acting in this direction T2, in this direction T1, vertically downward W. Particle is in equilibrium. Therefore, we can use Lami's theorem. By the Lami's theorem, T1 over sine of the angle between other two forces. T1 over, what is this angle? This is a straight line, this one pi by 6, therefore this one pi minus pi by 6, sine pi minus pi by 6 is equal W over sine of the angle between other two forces. This angle, this one pi by 2 minus alpha, this one pi by 6. Now this angle pi by 2 minus alpha plus pi by 6. Sine over pi by 2 minus alpha plus pi by 6. When we simplify this one, sine pi minus theta is a sine theta. Therefore, T1 over sine pi by 6 is equal W over, when we add these two terms, pi by 2 plus pi by 6, that is a 2 pi by 3 minus alpha. Therefore, sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha. This one, T1 over half is equal W over sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha. Therefore, T1 is equal, these two come here, W over 2 sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha. For the minimum value of T1, we want to find out the minimum value of T1. For the minimum value of T1, this is one of the expression here, numerator and denominator. For the minimum value of this one, the denominator should be maximum. Therefore, this one is the variable. Sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha should be maximum. What is the maximum value of this sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha? Any function of sine value, maximum value is 1. Therefore, this one, sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha maximum should be 1. Therefore, minimum value of T1, this is 1 for the maximum. So, minimum value of T1, W over 2 into this one 1. Therefore, this is W by 2, the minimum of T1. This is for when sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha is equal 1. So, we made use of 1. When we simplify, sine 2 pi by 3 minus alpha is equal 1. Therefore, 2 pi by 3 minus alpha is equal pi by 2. Subject change alpha, pi by 2, 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 2. Therefore, alpha is equal pi by 6. That means when alpha is equal pi by 6, tension on the string will be minimum.